Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn two life-saving Excel tricks. First one, how to arrange many data rows into columns. Second one, how to filter data based on value. Let's start. I have some data, client, country and date. I have a lot of data down. Traditionally, how we are doing like this. Instead of doing like this, we can use a function called graph rows. Select the whole data. In this case, I'm selecting here. Then you have to select how many columns you wanted. In this case, it is 3, and bracket and enter. Bingo. It's all sorted. Let's go to the next one. I have a baking log stock. I wanted to split the data between in-stock and out-stock. Traditionally, how we are doing something like this. Instead of doing like this, what we can try using a function called filter. Select the whole data, comma, select the quantity, then greater than 0, bracket end. Here you go. Similarly, in the out of stock, what we can do equal to filter, select the whole data again, and comma, then quantity, and then equal to 0. All done. If you want to change, like this is some stock, it will be automatically updated. Useful, right? That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll come back with new interesting video next time. See you. Bye bye.